He had the appointment. Oh, excuse me.
Hi.
You ate Moby.
No, I didn't.
You should do a riddle. What's green, obnoxious, plays the keyboard?
Correct.
Don't give it away. And,
Oh, baby. What's that schmeg on your face?
Service in this place. I'm
Shoot.
Motar, you're looking rather plump today.
I'm out of here.
Oh.
wow. That is impressive. Oh, my gosh. You probably do okay with the ladies.
Oh, hell yeah. A city over spring break. Spring break! Woo! Ooh, pardon me. You guys...
That's,
Oh, thank heavens. I thought he'd never leave.
Let's have a word of it. Yeah, that's great.
I'm not either.
I bet you were looking real hard, weren't you?
Weren't you, Buzz?
Oh, you bet.
Did you ever... And remember...
Yikes. Don't come on Mexican night. You'll regret it.
Thank you, Red. Now go away. Wow. Oh, good. Every time I do something like that, I give myself the hiccups.
you sure are